How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 70 Oldsmobile Cutlass 350 Rocket, all numbers match car, clean, rust-free California car. It's done in Rallye Red with a black vinyl top. It's got black interior. See, the front bumper's been re-chromed. The grills are in excellent condition. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. All the side moldings are really nice. They're originals. It's got your dual sport mirrors. Got a nice set of American Racing torque thrusts and your BFGs. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun kind of coming and going on us today. Doing the best we can for you. See the rear bumper, real nice. Got some handprints there, didn't get wiped off. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Tell you, it's just a good looking car. The black vinyl top, very nice. Rock solid car, and it's hard to find these cars anymore that haven't been all cut up and patch panels put in them. And I mean, it's a good solid car. It's got your power steering, power disc brakes. It's got air conditioning, factory 4-barrel. Got the 350 trans. We do have a hood insulator coming for the hood. It just isn't in yet. So all the jams are real nice in the car. Painted nice. Door panels all real nice. AM/FM cassette radio put in it. Did a nice job. Seat covers have been replaced. I think pretty much everything else in the interior is all the original. Jams are nice. It's got dual exhaust and everything. Car, I tell you, this car drives out beautiful, runs good. At the spare, see the trunk's nice and clean. Vinyl top, excellent condition. Dash looks good. I really like the wood grain trim they do in these Oldsmobiles. It's just very classy. Key buzzer, everything in this car works. Side marker lights work. Had to apologize to the sun coming and going today. A little chilly out. We just haven't had much good weather lately. Sounds good. Backup lights, everything works. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or stop by our new location here at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich. Have a great day, folks.